So these are probably your New Year's resolutions. You want to replace your 9-to-5 income. You want to start an online business. You want to discover new places and make this the year that everything changes. But you want to know what the truth actually is? This could also be the year that nothing changes. This could be the year that you say, oh, you know what? This just isn't for me. The year you watch other people your age who are less capable than you, accomplishing more than you, being able to afford nicer things than you, and earning life-changing money while you just feel stuck. All right, so what is the difference that determines what 2026 will look like for you? Look, I get it. Maybe you've told yourself, this is my year before, and yet here you are, still waiting, still hoping something magical will change. And frankly, it's not your fault. We're supposed to be living in the greatest time ever to succeed and accumulate wealth, while at the same time, most people are struggling to afford rent and groceries. We are supposed to be in the era of information, but going to college for most means putting yourself in generational debt. We are supposed to be in the era of opportunity, but getting a high-paying job is harder than ever. And even if you do manage to do it, you might be one OpenAI update away from being replaced entirely. In fact, the biggest corporations in the world are in an all-out war right now to control the future economy. OpenAI has committed $1 trillion in infrastructure investment in the next 5 years. The parent company behind Google is spending $200 billion on AI infrastructure. Elon invested $33 billion into XAI. In other words, taking the traditional path of getting a good job and working your way up the career ladder is not as reliable as it once was. 20 years ago, that was the safest path. But in the age of AI, job security might be the riskiest bet that you can take, because you are concentrating 100% of your income into one path, one employer, and one decision, controlled by corporations that may or may not be actively looking for ways to replace you. The game has changed. But you don't have to sit on the sidelines and wait, because you can actually capitalize on AI yourself. You may not be aware, but right now, as we're speaking, there are thousands of ordinary people making money online with the simplest, most straightforward business model that I have ever seen. And by the way, most of them have no business background, and yet they are quietly closing deals that replace their entire salary, getting paid as much as doctors and lawyers, while AI does most of the boring, time-consuming work for them. This is what I consider to be the easiest business model to start and make profitable in 2026. What used to require an entire team, one person can do now. What used to take years to build, you can now do in weeks. AI has democratized wealth creation, not only just for the billion-dollar companies, but also for the average person out there, as long as they know how to take advantage of this. So, my question to you now is, are you going to be part of the ones who get left behind? Or are you going to join me in creating your AI income and make 2026 your greatest year?